side by side or inside each other, it's better to have them inside each other, that the only time you induce a current in this coil is when the flux is changing. And so the flux can change by changing B, A, or the angle. And in this, either the parallel arrangement or the one inside the other arrangement, what you vary here is the field. And the way you vary the field is by varying the current. So you saw in lab that when you turn the current on and off, the needle responds. And so if I want to induce a voltage or a current in one coil using the other coil, I have to vary the current going through this coil. And so there's a few ways of varying the field, and we'll so when you have fast varying voltages or field, the instrument, you can't use a regular voltmeter, so we use what's called an oscilloscope. And it's called an oscilloscope because scope means it watches a varying voltage. And the way it does it is that there's a beam